PHP 8.3, that's right, it's finally out. Let's read out what's new in it. PHP 8.3 is a major update for the PHP language. It contains many new features such as explicit typing for class constants, deep cloning of read-only properties, and additions to the randomness functionality. As always, it also includes performance improvements, bug fixes, and general cleanup. Typed class constants, what does that mean? It means this here. So we can now tell a constant type, right? Both in an interface and in the implementation. It was not possible, so there's nothing more to it. All right, next, dynamic class constant fetch. Okay, so what does that mean? Before we needed the constant to get, oh god, this wasn't very nice. Now you can just get it as the static variable. Very good, very good. Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, override attribute. Now this what this does. Okay, let's just read. By the override attribute to a method, PHP will ensure that a method with the same name exists in a parent class or in an implemented interface. Adding the attribute makes it clear that overriding a parent method is intentional and simplifies refactoring because the removal of overridden parent method will be detected. Okay, so we have a class that extends a test case. Product function setup, tear down. Okay, so tear down has override attribute, but not matching parent at oh, so you can like signify with this that you want to override. PHP will check that if this exists in the parent. Yeah, that's very nice. So that's what the override is for. Deep calling of read-only properties. If you have a read-only class, when you want to change, cannot modify read-only property full PHP. Okay, so you can do this, but in here, I guess it means that it's allowed once. May now be modified once within the magic clone method to enable deep cloning of the read. So in your clone method, you can now do this. Very good. JSON validate. Oh my god. I can't tell you how good this is. Oh my god. This is just the best thing. This was wanted for the longest time. Very good, very good. New randomizer get bytes from string methods. The random extension that was added in PHP 8.2 was extended by a new method to generate random strings consisting of specific bytes only. This method allows the developer to easily generate random identifiers such as domain names and numeric strings for arbitrary length. So there's this randomizer and get bytes from string. And there was, this function needs to be manually implemented. So someone made it manually and they just added it into the native. So you can 16 bytes of characters from this string. Amazing. In many languages, you know, you need to get some packages or whatnot, and they add just more and more very useful stuff. I kind of like this. It's again, I can't even tell you how many times have I done this. That I needed a randomizer function, and then, you know, I needed of who knows, like 5 lengths of some characters, and now this is just there. Then there you go. You don't need to worry about it. It's just there. Perfect. It's very nice. Okay. New randomizer get float and next float methods. Okay, so what's this? Returns the random float number min and max, both including. Oh god. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my god. Okay, due to the limited precision and implicit rounding of floating point numbers, generating an unbiased float lying within a specific interval is non-trivial, and the commonly used user-land solutions may generate biased results and numbers outside the requested range. The randomizer was also extended with 2 methods to generate random floats in an unbiased fashion. The randomizer getFloat method uses the Y-section algorithm that was published by whoever, so you know, you get unbiased, randomized floating point numbers in between the values, and I don't know what that means there. So next float is equivalent to randomizer get float 0, 1. Random closed open. The upper that means that, oh, if you want to include this or not. Closed. Oh wow. I never thought I will see the day PHP is going to be able to natively generate random floating point numbers and be very, very accurate. That's just amazing. Command line linter support multiple files. Okay, so that's something neat. Okay, new classes, interfaces. Oh boy, there's just, oh boy. Do I want to read this? I don't know. I don't think so. Get attribute names. This is again very useful. Which if you want to parse HTML or whatnot, so you can get a lot of stuff. Oh my god, root node and attributes. That's just crazy. Into the calendar they added some new stuff. I don't know what that is. String pad. Oh my god. In a reflection, str increment. What's that? Increment an alphanumeric string. By what? What's this? Yo, what's this? EA. So D becomes E. And Z becomes A. Oh. Oh, because Z is the last one. So then it adds as if it was like a numbers, like some sort of a custom number system, but not because numbers are not included. It's without the numbers. So, oh my god, so this becomes A as it is the first one, and this becomes E. And Z becomes AAA, of course, because that's... Oh my god! What a genius! Oh my god, I don't know if I ever gonna use this, but this just amazing. Okay, so what else that we could use? PHP minimum support fallback default value syntax. Oh, I would be very interested in that. How is that implemented? Anonymous cases classes can now be read-only. Okay, that's nice. More appropriate datetime exceptions. Assigning a negative index and to an empty array will now make sure that the next index is n+1 instead of 0. Oh! Changes to the range function. Okay. Changes in redeclaration of static properties and traits. Okay. Once multiple decimal. Okay, don't care about that. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Get class and get params without arguments are deprecated. Okay. Okay. This is very nice. Very good. Very good. Very good. PHP is getting slowly, steadily getting better. I'm actually really happy for this. I'm really happy for this. And by that, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Your job is to subscribe. Mine is to entertain you with more content like this. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.